Okay, so here's a quick tutorial on how to edit or add your stuff to the Latin American Studies site. You're looking right now at the web page that you would see without editing. And if you're logged into your school account, you should see a little pencil down here in the corner. And if you click on that, you'll be able to edit. So I'm going to click on that. And it opens up the editing screen. You don't want to edit this page. You want to add your page. And so the first thing you're going to do is go to Pages, and notice how right now it shows one page, and then a second page under the home page is Comamos, or Let's Eat. And you're going to add your page to the Comamos section. So you'd click on that. Now this is what the Comamos page looks like. You're not going to add anything to this page yet, because you want to first add your own page. So you click on the menu for that page and you add a subpage. And I'm just going to call this example, but you would call this whatever you want, probably your country, or maybe the name of the food. Okay, so now this is the page that you can edit. And so you'd give it a title. And then if you want to add stuff to it, you would go to Insert. And these are all of the things that you can add. Content blocks are the quickest way to get a page that's organized. So let's say you had a picture and some text, or a video. This could be a video that you upload, text that you put here. You could do two photos and some text. So those are blocks of content. You can delete those over here on the side. You can also just do individual things. So if you wanted a divider, so there's a divider. If you wanted to do a YouTube link, an embedded YouTube video, so maybe you make a video of making the food, upload it to YouTube. You could link to it here. Let's see, an image carousel. That would be if you have like 5 or 6 images and you want them to kind of rotate through on their own. You could put an image carousel in there. So you'd have to insert the images, which I don't have any right now, so I'm not going to do it. But you would upload your images here, and then when you're done and you press insert, it would put an image carousel here. If you wanted a collapsible group, anyway, you can mess around with this and just see if you want to just put an individual image in. Let's see. We'll see if I can upload something from my desktop. A bunch of screenshots. We'll do trust. Okay, so there's that image. I could put a text box in there. More. Anyway, so you just keep doing that until you've built the web page that you want. And when you're finished, you don't have to do anything. Don't publish. I can publish if you send me a message. But when you're finished, go back to Comamos. And this is where you want to link to your page. So you need to modify one of these. Choose whichever one you want that's empty, that no one else has used. Add a picture. You need some kind of picture here that represents your web page. Text here that's a reference to your web page. So it could be just the same name as your web page. And you could leave this blank if you want, or you could kind of summarize. Oh, this is a famous meal from Venezuela or something like that. You could put that summary down here. But once you've done it, so I'm going to say halacas. And let's say I've put an image in there, which actually we'll go ahead and add an image. Upload. We'll go from my desktop again. We'll do Andrew Carnegie. Okay, so I put the image in there. And if I want to edit how the image shows, I can do that by using this up here. But once I have this looking the way I want, I need to link it to my web page, this example. So I'm going to select that text, and I'm going to choose, oops. link, and it's going to give me it's going to suggest what I link it to. But if it doesn't pop up, if what you want doesn't pop up, you could just type the name of your page. Oops, and there it is. Apply. Okay, and now if people come to this page and click here, it will go to my sample page. And I'm going to publish. You shouldn't publish, but I'm going to publish just so you can see what that looks like. And we'll go to the, oops, we'll go home. So here's the home page. If people click up here, they can go to Comamos. And if they click on Comamos, there's what you added or what I added in this case. And if they click here, it'll go to my page. And that's it. Remember, don't publish anything. If you want to see what it's like, you can preview, but don't publish. Let me publish because I want to make sure that nothing, I just want to make sure that it's correct before I publish it.